Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to see all comments on your Instagram story. Who commented on your Instagram story? How do you see them? So let's get started. The first thing is going to open your Instagram. Open your Instagram here now. Click on the story you want to see the comments. And just click on it. I'm going to click on the story. You can see. Just go here and this is the story. So let me show my tab. Let me show you again. This is it, and this is the story. It's going to come out like this. This is the or you can also come to this place here, and this is it here. You're going to see your story, and here you can turn off your story, your commenting. But here you can see you will not see it again, and if you come, you can just turn it on, and you're going to see all your comments. Let me show you back. The comment is going to pop up here. You can see this is the comment here. So if there's more than one or three, you're going to see all your comments here, and you can also turn it off by clicking on this and click on the three dots and click on turn off, and you can see it's not there anymore. So if you want to enable it back, just click on this, click on it, and click on this three dots, and you can click on turn on comments, and you're going to see the comment. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.